Hey, what's up, everyone? Not too much here. Got the hashbrown casserole shepherd pie from Crackerbarrel, something new on their menu. Had this delivered from DoorDash. Got me and my dad dinner tonight. So what y'all been up to today? Me? Well, I woke up about 7:15. And then I chilled for a little bit, had some coffee, did up some dishes, got the rest of the laundry started. And then I got around. I went to Shannon's to drop something off to her. And then went to this one church called Downtown Church. I decided to check it out. Pretty good. And then after that, then went right around doing some little bit of videos. Then came back home, chilled for a little bit until my dad got home. Then we went off to do some fishing. And we had a good time fishing. Didn't catch no big fish, but we got like some little beady ones and, threw them back in the water and stuff. And then after that, just came home, been up chilling, and then got dinner for me and them. Weather's been pretty good. Well, around in the upper 70s. Not too bad though. How y'all been on this Sunday? How's the weather where you guys are at? What y'all down good on for dinner? like to say something. I know that sometimes when I'm watching some of my, dance ASMR videos, I know I'll see comments like on his that some of y'all, or some of his subscribers will be asking him, hey, like, why you like, looking around like, like when he like glances like right behind him or something, or like, or this and that or whatever. Or, I'll do the same thing too, when I'm doing a video. Everyone does it. And so if the ones that comment and ask that, I know you guys do it too. So, but you guys are too chicken or afraid to do a video because you guys will be looking around like, everyone has to watch their surroundings and stuff. It ain't like we're taking our eyes off the camera and stuff. You gotta, look at your surroundings and stuff. Places that we do videos at and stuff. Homeless people be coming up around the area and stuff or whatever. So, gotta always watch your surroundings. The ones that comment and say that, I'm pretty sure you guys do the same thing. Like, you guys probably be like, just glancing or looking, like, just making sure, like, if someone's like right behind you or something or whatever, or if you're all stopped eating lunch in your vehicle, you'll probably like glance and like look to see if a car's blowing up or something. It's human nature. The ones that ask that are silly. Some of y'all are just bored and just don't know how to ask like other questions or something. And no, I'm not mad at saying that or whatever. Just just letting y'all know. Being straight up with you guys. But, at least we're putting up content for you guys to enjoy and stuff. There's other people that watch that do like YouTube or TikTok, and if they're elsewhere and stuff, when they're doing like a live or something or a video, they'll look behind them or look on the side of them or something. Gotta always be on the lookout of your surroundings. I don't think I've done like one comment, like maybe one time before, but I know that's like whenever I watch my dad's, like, I see like a few comments of those and stuff, and it's like crazy. This is delicious. this between 0 and 10. I would have to give this a 10. If you guys got Cracker Barrel where you guys are at, go and get this. I know I see they got like a few new stuff on their menu. Yeah, like you can get like a side to go with it or something. I got some buttered biscuits, but I'm gonna probably save those like to snack on. Because this is huge and fill me up.